Our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. Jai Hind, India! Today, I feel privileged to have had the opportunity to present my Veer Gatha project in the honor of all the brave hearts of our country. Veer Gatha. So, what are Gallantry Awards? Gallantry Awards have been instituted by the Government of India to honor the acts of bravery and sacrifice of the officers of Indian Army. These Gallantry Awards are announced twice in a year, first on the occasion of Republic Day, then on the occasion of the Independence Day. Over thousands of soldiers sacrificed their life for our nation, and we only know few of them. So today we'll have a look on the untold story of Nirmaljeet Singh Sikhon. During the 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War, a conflict sparked. This resulted in unimaginable destruction and widespread massacre of innocent lives. A story takes place during this time of tension and strife. On 14 December 1971, 4 Pakistani fighter jets called Sables set out towards India. Their mission was to bomb Srinagar airbase. As they flew over Indian soil, they were spotted by soldiers at an observation post. Cries of "Sable tanks coming this way" echoed all around. Immediately, Air Traffic Control contacted Operation Readiness Platform or ORP-1 defensive fighter jets. The message was received by Flight Attendant Guman and Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sikhon. The officers rushed to the Nats, their subsonic fighter jets also nicknamed Sabre Slayers since 1965. These Nats had beaten several Pakistani Sabres within seconds. Both officers were ready for takeoff, but before they could, the anti-aircraft guns had started firing at the intruders. The air was thick and dust and debris, and unable to wait any longer for the command to go ahead, Guman took off to face the enemy, but visibility was far too low for Sikhon to follow. Sikhon took off 20 seconds later and he was just in time. 2 bombs exploded on